Hi, my lovely viewers! Today I have an interesting and informative video for you. The car behind me is not just for show. I want to tell you about the things every driver should have in their car. Let's get started! Let's start with the items required by traffic laws. First and foremost is a first aid kit.
While it's not mandatory in all states, it's an absolute must-have. You never know when you might need bandages, antiseptic wipes, or pain relievers. A well-stocked first aid kit can make a huge difference in an emergency.
It's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not to have it. Next up, a fire extinguisher.
Some states require having a fire extinguisher, especially if you're driving a commercial vehicle. Even if it's not mandatory for your car, it's a smart decision. Make sure it's an automotive-grade extinguisher designed to handle flammable liquids and electrical fires.
You might never use it, but it's better to have one, just like with the first aid kit. Next item, reflective triangles or flares.
Another important item, if your car breaks down or you're in an accident, these will help alert other drivers to your presence, especially at night or in bad weather. They can prevent further accidents and keep you safe while you wait for help.
Next on the list of essentials, a spare tire.
Don't forget a spare tire jack and wrench. Many newer cars come with a tire repair kit instead of a spare tire, but check what your car has and make sure you know how to use it. Being able to change a tire yourself can save you time or get you out of a dangerous situation.
Of course, don't forget jumper cables.
Jumper cables are essential for getting your car started if the battery dies. They're not legally required, but they're incredibly useful. Make sure you know how to use them safely or consider getting a portable jump starter.
I can't imagine my car without a small basic toolkit.
A basic toolkit can be a lifesaver. Include items like screwdrivers, pliers, and duct tape. You don't need to be a mechanic to make minor repairs, and these tools can help you get back on the road quickly. Also, consider adding a flashlight, either a handheld one or a headlamp, for repairs in the dark. While it's not legally required, it's very handy.
I would also recommend having water in the car, both drinking water and some technical water, in case you need to wash your hands after a repair. So there you have it. These are the essential items every driver should have in their car. Being prepared can make a huge difference in an emergency. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe on the road and happy driving. And don't forget your documents before you hit the road. Both personal and car documents. Bye-bye!